Alright, Neil San, this is for you. I want to show you how I played this bird stealing bread thing. So, the intro is really just ringing open chord, so it's A, and then A suspended second, which is just these two, the bass two notes of the A. And then I do this. Which is ringing E with the picking is on the second string and the A string, so it's B, C sharp, D sharp, and slide up D. So let me play the whole first intro, and that repeats through the verses. So. Tell me, baby, tell me, does this company make light of a rainy day? I'm playing it slower than I should, but I just want you to get a feel for it. So the verses are just like that for all of them, and then as soon as the last part of the verse is done, it goes to the chorus, which is full A, B, and then a variation of that same riff, except it's chords. So it's E major, then slide up 2 frets to the 4th fret, but I don't even know what this chord is. And then it's an octave version of that same slide that you did in the first one. So this is the chorus. E major, 2 frets up with E major. And then this thing. So to play the octaves, you gotta skip a string, so you gotta mute the. It's played on the E. Let me play through the whole first verse and one chorus for you, and then I'll talk about the riff. Tell me, baby, tell me, are you still on the stoop, watching the windows close? I've not seen you lately on the street, by the beach, the places we used to go. Got a picture of you on my favorite day by the seaside. There's a birch stealing red that I brought up from under, you know. Alright, so now I have a second guitar part for this that I'd like you to learn. It's pretty simple. But what I play in this, there's a riff that goes in between each of the verse and chord structures, and it goes like this. It goes, it's open A, and then this octave. So I'm actually picking the A string and the B string, but I'm muting the G string. So it's. Send this video to you when I send you the tab, and now you know what I'm playing, and then I'm going to tab out what I think the second part should be.